Hello everyone, welcome to Heavy Crypto, and in this video I'll show you how exactly you can find automated arbitrage opportunities using Atani app. So basically Atani app is an innovative all-in-one and custodial platform designed for crypto traders and investors. The platform enables trade execution, portfolio monitoring and charting across more than 20 crypto exchanges throughout a single interface, meaning that you can be able to monitor all your exchanges on one interface. For example, if you have an account on Binance and KuCoin, you can be able to monitor these two crypto exchanges on Atani app. The reason why I use Atani platform is because it helps me to find arbitrage opportunities from different exchanges. So if I see an arbitrage opportunity, I don't need to go to Binance and withdraw cash there or deposit there. Instead, I can do all this on Atani platform because I connected all my exchanges on this platform. And it has a feature that helps me to find arbitrage opportunities from different exchanges, and in this video I'll show you step by step of how exactly you're gonna take advantage of this platform. So with that being said, let's dive right into the video.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens, God.
Alright, so for you to download this app, you're simply gonna go to Google and search Atani and click right there. And if you're using a computer, you're simply gonna download the software right here. And if you're using an Android phone, you're simply gonna go search on Google Play Store and download the app right there. Is available as well as iPhone. You're simply gonna search on Apple Store and download the app right there. And if you have none of those, you can use their website by clicking right here, and it's gonna ask you to sign up and do all that stuff. So I've already created an account, so I'm just gonna go ahead and log in, and the link will be in the description for this platform. Alright, so right now we're looking at Atani platform, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put my password right here because I've already created an account. Alright. Alright, so this is the dashboard for Atani app. Alright, so on this tab right here we have bunch of pairs and the price and percentage change within 24 hours. And if I click right here, you can see that on Binance, BNB is being sold at $239.5 US, and on KuCoin, BNB is being sold at $239.5 US, right? And you can see that you can actually take advantage of arbitrage right here because you're going to be buying from Binance at a lower price and then sell it to KuCoin at a higher price, and this arbitrage opportunity is going to be happening within Atani app. We do not need to go to Binance and withdraw BNB there and send it to KuCoin. Instead, everything is going to happen within this platform. So you can actually look for arbitrage opportunities because this Atani platform offers a lot of arbitrage opportunities, right? Another example of arbitrage opportunity is Hint right here. You can see that if I click on Hint, you can see that Hint on Binance is being sold at $9.29 US, and on KuCoin is being sold at $9.303 US. So there's an arbitrage opportunity going on right here, and you can take advantage of this. So right here we have order book showing all the BNB trades that are being executed from Binance Exchange. And this is chart powered by TradingView. The reason why I use this chart is because it has advanced tools that I cannot use on TradingView free accounts. For example, right here, if I use this chart from Atani platform, I can be able to change the layout, but I cannot do this on TradingView because I have to pay for these. So there are a bunch of tools that you can actually use on Atani app. And on this tab, I have all the open orders that I have from different exchanges, and right here I can be able to buy and sell cryptocurrencies from different exchanges, meaning that I can be able to buy and sell from all the exchanges that I've connected on Atani platform. And right here is my wallet showing all my balance and bunch of cryptocurrencies that I have on my wallet. And right here is showing in rands because I'm in South Africa right now, that's why it's showing in rands, and this is the price of Bitcoin in South African rand. And right here is showing me all the exchanges that I've connected to Atani platform as well. And right here you can be able to change some settings, and if you like light theme, you can click right there and it's gonna change into light theme. And this is your account right there. And if I click on chart, it's gonna show me a chart from TradingView, and I can be able to do all my technical analysis. Personally, I use this chart from Atani platform because it provides me advanced trading tools, right? So I recommend you guys to try it out. If I click on portfolio right here, it's gonna show me all the exchanges that I've connected and the balance on those exchanges, right? And if I click accounts right here, it's gonna show me all the exchanges that I can connect to, right? So there's a bunch of exchanges that you can be able to connect to. For example, if you're using Binance, you're simply gonna click right there and it's gonna ask you API key and secret key from Binance, right? So all you need to do is to go to Binance and get that API key and secret key, and in this video I'll show you how exactly you can connect API key and secret key to Atani platform. So far, if you're enjoying this video, make sure you subscribe and leave a like button for YouTube algorithm, which really helps the channel. So personally, I use Bybit to trade, and I'll leave a link in the description below. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and show you how exactly you can connect your API keys to Atani platform. So I'll see you on Bybit. Alright, so right now you're looking at Bybit exchange, and for you to get this API key, you're simply gonna go to accounts right here and click API right here. Alright, and so I created this API, so I'm just gonna go ahead and delete it and show you step by step of how you can actually create your own API keys and connect it to Atani platform. Alright, deleted, successful. So you're simply gonna go to create new key and click right here, API transactions, and name it right here. So I'm just gonna name it Atani API keys. Alright, and right here click read and write, give permissions to orders, position, trade spot, account transfer, sub account transfer, and withdrawals. Make sure you enable withdrawals right here, and exchange history as well. Okay, and right here click all APIs. Alright, and submit. And right here it's gonna ask for my verification code, so they're gonna send a verification code to my email and verification code from my 2FA authenticator. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click send. By the way, your verification code is gonna be different from mine, so don't use my verification code. Make sure this suits perfectly. It's the same thing from whether you're using Binance Exchange or KuCoin Exchange, the same thing. And you paste it right there. And right here I'm just gonna go ahead and put my authenticator code and click confirm. So right here you can see that the key has successfully added, right? And here is my API keys and my API secrets, right? So I'm just gonna go ahead and copy this and paste it to Atani platform. Click right there, paste my API key right there, and copy my secret key right here, and paste my secret key right there. Okay, and click connect exchange. So right here you can see that my exchange has been successfully connected to Atani platform. Now I can be able to trade and withdraw and do all the arbitrage game on Atani platform. And also you can connect all these exchanges to Atani platform and get advantage of arbitrage opportunities. So last time I made a video of how you can actually identify arbitrage opportunities and dominate arbitrage markets, and I'll leave a link in the description below for that video. So this is it for today's video. If you have enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe and leave a like button for YouTube algorithm. It really helps the channel. Therefore, I'll see you in another video. Love and peace.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take